Hello and welcome to my final day in isolation. I made it. Stayed inside, stayed indoors, stayed isolated for 2 weeks, and so this will be my final quarantine chronicle. I mean, it probably won't because we're still going to be in lockdown and I'm still going to be in the house bored. But I mean, I can actually go outside now, so maybe it'll be different, we'll see. And I figured for the final ever quarantine chronicle, we should celebrate. So I decided to whip out my brand new, because I've never used it before and literally just ordered it, cocktail making set and celebrate by making a cocktail. The cocktail I'm thinking of making, and by thinking I mean I'm going to, because it's the one I've got the ingredients for, is a Mai Tai. Obviously, drink responsibly, children. If you are under the age in whatever country you are in, which for the most of the world is 18, America 21, sorry about it. If you are under the age, don't drink. Because I didn't. And because we're celebrating, I thought I'd wear a bit of Ivy Park, you know. So, I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to making cocktails. I know how to order one. I know how to do that. But I know how to make one. So, I found this website. It's literally just the first one I googled. It says this makes one cocktail and it takes 5 minutes. Oh, this is going to be a quick video.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie.
What you need is White Rum. And then you need Cointreau liqueur, which I had to end up ordering on Amazon. Fresh lime juice. I've got 2 limes. Hopefully that's enough. Almond syrup. Fresh pineapple juice and orange juice. Oh, and Dark Rum. Oh, and ice. And then things to garnish. Oh, I already feel like it's gonna be a lot of effort. What I'm gonna do for my first step is make some crushed ice. Don't know how much crushed ice I'll need or how exactly I'm gonna do it, but we're gonna see. I'm thinking along the lines of put it in a blender. Am I a bit stupid?
Yup.
How does this work?
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
I don't know how to use this blender. Oh. That makes more sense. And I think that's how you make crushed ice. Oh, hello. Let it snow. Fill the cocktail shaker with ice. How much ice? I always said I could never work in a bar because I can't make cocktails. Not even because I can't make cocktails, but because I don't know what drinks are. Like if someone came up to me, the only drink I drink really is Ciroc. I don't know if you can see that. I'm really trying to use quarantine and lockdown to broaden my horizons. Do you just put that in? Oh, look at that. Maybe I could work at that.
No.
Fill the shaker with ice and combine the white rum, Cointreau, and lime juice. Jesus. So everything. Apart from that. 45 ml of rum, of white rum, which to me means 50 mils. Ooh. Oh, snap, it comes out of this cool way. Is that right? Oh, it's making a noise. Can you hear that? 25 ml. Oh, that smells like I'm smelling an orange. 25 ml. Ooh, that sounded fun. Put that in there. Syrup. Ooh, you smell nice. 15 ml. Well, how am I gonna wing it? 50ml of fresh, pineapple or orange. Whoops. Let's do 25 of each. Juice. What I want to do is make it fancy. Okay. I tried to cut a lime slice and got this. How much lime? 25ml. But that's gonna have to do. Boop. Shake a wrap for around 20 to 30 minutes until the liquid is really well chilled. Ooh, the bottle's cold, I can tell you that. Ooh, the thing is cold. How did... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Strain into a glass filled with cubed or crushed ice and top off with the dark rum. So do you strain with this thing or with a sieve? I'm gonna use this thing. I've seen people do this in bars. Oh wait, I was supposed to put the ice. Shh. Oh! Oh, this glass clearly ain't big enough. Boop. Nope. And then how much dark rum is it? It fell, didn't it? The disrespect. 15ml. We need a little bit more. Oh, it's probably too full. Let me just drink a bit more. We're gonna put 25ml. Because there's nothing else we can do. We're locked in the house, so we might as well turn up. It's a celebration after all. That's probably enough space now. We're just gonna drizzle you on that. Ta-da! I've made my first cocktail ever because I think this is called a classic Mai Tai. So cheers. If you guys also somehow followed along, cheers, let's drink up. If you didn't, cheers. Oh! That dark rum really gives it a little sauce. I actually don't really want to drink them, so that's a lie, I do, but I want to make the other one and then drink it. And for the other one, you need this grenadine. And I think this is what makes it more like the ones I had in Thailand, which gave it the red little sauce. 50ml of spice rum. So they flipped it on its head, okay. Oh, look at me being all barry. Okay, we're gonna pop you in there. 25ml of light rum. 1 teaspoon of grenadine syrup. Oh wait, I'm not doing that actually, sorry, take that back. 85ml of pineapple juice. Well, that's 50. That's 75. What is it? 85. 75ml of orange. I'm gonna go off script here a bit and add a little sprinkle in. I'm gonna do half of the 25. Oh, this one doesn't have any lime in it, so I could have used the lime all in the other one. I don't want a spoon in the fork. I'm just gonna... Then I'm gonna pop the lid back on and prepare my hands to freeze. Shake vigorously until well combined. Oh, I can do that. No! Why? It freezes your hands. Ah! Are you welcome? Open. Hello? Oh! Oh, they've gone and locked it. Sir. Ah, they're... Ooh! This one's real foamy today. Add a handful of the ice to the glass and strain the cocktail mix on top. Is that right? Strain it. Okay. I'm going to strain it. Oh, snap. Okay, so it makes a similar colour. This is a better sized glass. Oh, this one's a lot darker actually in colour. It's 1 teaspoon, but do you know what? We're celebrating. And apparently if you drizzle it in. Oh, look at that. Wow. I am literally the best. Well, look at me, never being able to make cocktails. In my mind, I've just made 2. And do you want to know what else I've made? Some cocktail B-roll. Enjoy. They might not taste that nice, so this one already had no taste. It tastes like alcohol though, I'll tell you that. Even though this one's been left to stand for a bit, it still tastes really nice. So this one is like the classic Mai Tai, and I'm pretty sure this is the island Mai Tai. Oh wow. I think I actually might try and make a few more cocktails now I've got my own little kit. I hope you've liked this little mini series of the things I've been getting up to whilst I've been here in isolation. I didn't film anywhere near as many as I thought I was going to film. My bad. But yeah, I did like, how did I do 4? Macaroons, cookies, spaghetti, ravioli, cocktail. But a 5. 5 ain't bad. So yeah, I'm just going to keep sipping these. You guys can, you know, watch my other videos if they're up. Check out my Instagram. Comment down below what cocktails I should try making next. Oh, subscribe obviously, like, and share it if you want. Maybe someone wants to know how to make a Mai Tai. I've just shown you. So you could then show them by sharing this video. I'm just saying. It's just what happened there. Period. Yeah, cheers. Just gonna keep drinking this until you guys either flick off or, you know, go down there and like, comment, subscribe. The little red button. Red button.